How STATCOM mitigates voltage flicker. Voltage flicker refers to the rapid and repeated changes in the voltage level of a power supply, which can cause noticeable changes in the intensity of lighting and other electrical equipment. These fluctuations can be caused by rapidly varying loads, such as electric arc furnaces, welding machines, and large motors starting and stopping. STATCOM, static synchronous compensator, can effectively realize voltage flicker reduction and improve power quality. 1. Dynamic reactive power compensation. Rapid response. STATCOMs provide fast and dynamic reactive power compensation. By quickly adjusting the amount of reactive power injected or absorbed, STATCOMs can smooth out voltage fluctuations. Instantaneous control. The voltage source converter, VSC, in a STATCOM can respond within milliseconds, which is essential for mitigating rapid voltage changes that cause flicker. 2. Voltage stabilization. Voltage support. STATCOMs stabilize the voltage at the point of common coupling, PCC, by maintaining the voltage within specified limits. This helps in reducing the amplitude of voltage fluctuations. Steady voltage levels. By providing continuous voltage support, STATCOMs ensure that the voltage remains constant even when there are rapid changes in load. 3. Harmonic filtering. Reduction of harmonics. Although primarily designed for reactive power compensation, STATCOMs can also help in reducing harmonic distortions that might accompany voltage flicker. Cleaner waveform. By reducing harmonics, STATCOMs contribute to a cleaner voltage waveform, which can help mitigate flicker caused by distorted waveforms. 4. Load balancing. Phase balancing. STATCOMs can help in balancing the load across different phases in a three-phase system, which can reduce voltage imbalances that contribute to flicker. Even distribution. Ensuring an even distribution of loads helps in maintaining a stable voltage profile, thereby reducing flicker.
Follow us on